and welcome to the Artsy Guru Cooking Channel. I'm William, the Artsy Guru, and today we are going to make homemade graham crackers. Can you believe it? You don't have to buy them in the store, and you know exactly what's going to go in them. Not that the others are too bad, but those of you that are allergic to soy and stuff like that, it's somewhat hard to find a good graham cracker in a lot of stores. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and put it in a bowl and mix that all up. I have done that already just so we can cut some time, but it's all in here and I've mixed it up thoroughly. Also, we are going to need a 3/4 cup of softened butter. I've got that right now. It's 1.5 sticks of butter, just so you know, okay? A 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So how about we get started? So what we're going to do is go ahead and cream stuff together. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We've mixed this already, so let's go ahead and get this going. Alrighty, first of all, put your butter and your sugar in the mixer and cream that together, okay? I love butter. It is so good. Go ahead and dump your sugar on in. Now, we're going to get that started and creaming it together. Nothing like sugar and butter. Just give me some crackers and I'll just eat this like this, I'm sure. All right, that is done. Now we are going to add our 3/4 cup of honey and our tablespoonful of vanilla extract. So let's go ahead and add those two as well. And the honey. I guess I should have opened this before I started filming. Alrighty. Oh, this honey smells so good. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and put this stuff to the side. Okay. Now, we are going to mix these for about 2 or 3 minutes, okay? So, as soon as we get back, we will have some fabulous dough ready to go. Well, not dough yet. Now, in this bowl, we have the whole wheat flour, the baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. All right? So I'm going to start slowly adding this to the mix. All right, we have a fabulous soft dough formed. So, let's get started with this. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Feels so good. You can feel some of the sugar in it. Okay, so I have some whole wheat flour here, and I'm going to go ahead and dust my surface a little bit. And then what we're going to do is start pulling this out. Over here. Okay. Oh, this is looking wonderful. You're kneading it a little bit so that you can work with it a little easier. See how I'm dusting it with flour? Alrighty. Now, I'm going to go ahead and break this up into. Oh, that smells so good. Always remember with this, you know exactly what the ingredients are that went into your recipe. Just a little more. All right. Now, I'm going to set these over here. And we have some parchment paper. Always use parchment paper. It is wonderful. Okay, so go ahead and place this on your parchment. Like that. Grab your rolling pin and start to work. Okay. All right. This takes a little bit of time. Sticking to my pin a little bit. It'll be fabulous. Okay. Always remember, there's recipes that call for graham crackers to actually make your crusts. You can send these off to school with your kids and just have them as a snack. And let's not forget, it's the holidays. Now, making your own, you could actually cut out little gingerbread men if you didn't want to make gingerbread, and have graham cracker men, I guess. Alrighty. I'm trying to get this as thin as we can. parchment. All right. Alrighty. Now, you can turn this into a perfect rectangle if you choose. I'm going to have it like this. My hands. Now we're going to put this on a pan. And we're going to have it in a preheated 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes. And we want to make sure it's dark and toasty, okay? But before we do, we're going to go ahead and put some holes in it. You can actually, if you choose, can just do it with a toothpick or whatever. I'm doing it with this just because it's fun. So, I will see you back here shortly. All right, welcome back. We have our fabulous graham crackers. Oh, they are so wonderful and nice and crisp. I went ahead and cut these. Well, actually, you make a mark and everything if you want. This one is going to go into a pie crust, but watch this. Oh, they're so wonderful. And it's been a wonderful day and another wonderful episode. And I thank you for joining me. Also, if you would like to see more fabulous videos, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and ring that bell. Also, visit artsyguru.com where we have every video and you can see my blog and all the recipes and everything fabulous. So have a wonderful day.